Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Straight Up Driven. We are here at Daily Driven Exotiq's Cars Carats that they're co-hosting with a company called Happy Jewelers. So we're here. We got here early because we heard it's going to be an incredible crowd. The guys are all driving down from LA, so we brought our own small group, rolled in with about 10 cars. We made sure we got some parking. Now we're gonna, go out, we're gonna see some of the other cars, but when the group gets here, it's gonna be chaos. It's over 100 cars coming down from LA, so it should be a good show. Check it out, let's have some fun. See you guys in a little bit. Boom! Guys, we ran into Peter with 1016. If you don't know about crazy carbon fiber parts, check out 1016 Industries. Peter's the owner, but they just did a crazy. Tell us what you did, Peter, because blue carbon fiber, you can't find it. So how'd you guys get this done?
All right, so originally the car was, traditional carbon fiber. Regular clear, that's how we finish all of the cars. I've had it in my head to have everything blue. I don't know if you can see the interior from here. We swapped over the entire interior to blue. The wheels match, did the calipers, and so what this is basically we had to take all the carbon down all the way to resin and do a 4-stage paint to get it to be blue carbon. So basically we tried to do it on the car, didn't work out very well, so we ended up taking the entire car apart, doing each part, spraying at the same time. We even matched all the parts of our carbon that don't come off the car. We actually sprayed palladium gray, which is the factory McLaren gray that the plastic comes. And so all these, the tone actually matches with the color carbon. So anything that's not carbon, we actually turn down to gray and get blue as well. So everything on the car is perfect.
Well, your Huracan also has blue interior. So is blue your favorite color, or why blue?
So it's kind of weird. As my personality has changed, kind of stuff that I want around me has changed. And blue is very honest, calm. So that's the type of energy that blue has. So it kind of found me. My 765 was all blue, all my collars are blue. So it's something that as I changed, it just grew on me, and it went from red, which is very aggressive, very angry, very whatever, to this tone. So it's kind of just keeping me calm type of thing.
Dude, I love that. That's amazing. Yeah. How much is this kit typically?
So mine's full carbon, so obviously the doors and everything are full replacement. So if you wanted to do this, it's about $350,000. So
$350,000, guys. We're not there yet, but we're gonna talk to Peter about maybe doing something with the Huracan or something here coming up. His carbon fiber is incredible. Guys, check it out, 1016 Industries.
Cars Carats, you already know what you gotta do, man.
Oh man.
You gotta give me a smile. What are you doing? Cars Carats.
You know what time it is? We got him. We got him. Yep, we represent today.
Cars Carats, what you got?
Hey, this ain't no Mesonite, bro. This is real black diamonds. Happy Jewelers, baby. What's up?
Carats, I got the car and always got them carats. That's what we doing out here, man. Shout out to DDE, shout out to Happy Jewelers, man. We keep it extravagant.
come back around and do whatever you want to do. Get some food, have some fun. Be careful. There's a lot of cars moving around. Be safe. That's it. Let's party.
Alright guys, we're here with one of our good friends, Garet, Exotiq Envy. If you haven't checked out his channel, go check out Exotiq Envy. But what I love about Garet has so much passion for the car industry, period. He's got a JDM car, he's got an exotic car right behind us, but he's always different in what he does. So his rap is just incredible. I'm gonna let him tell us a little bit about it and why he did it. So Garet, What does this wrap mean to you? Why did you do it? And, you know, give us the whole background on it.
So growing up, when we were kids, we didn't have social media, we didn't have phones, you had video games, you had backyard football, you had cartoons, and that was really what we spent our pastime doing. So I wanted to take a throwback to my childhood, everything that inspired me, everything that had an influence on me growing up, and basically take that and put it on my car and sit there and kind of have that common denominator, that common factor when we're out here. It's just making sure that we relate. When I grew up in the 80s and 90s, that's all we did. It was surf, skate, snow, watching cartoons, playing video games. So I took the best of what inspired me. Johnny Bravo, Batman, PlayStation, Spitfire, all the stuff that was an influence in my life and put it on my car. And I wanted to do that to be able to sit there and have kids really look at the car, because that's where my inspiration came from when I was a child. Guys throw me in the car, let me rev the engine. So I'm just paying it forward. And anytime we go to local meets and we got kids coming up, we get them to jump in the car, we get them to turn it on, get them to rev it, and hopefully inspire something in the youth to be able to set high goals like I did and be able to drive one of these one day. So that's really where it comes from, man. It's just, like you said, the passion of being able to share what we have with others and not just try to keep it for ourselves.
And guys, what I love about this is, I consider myself fortunate. I have great friends. I get to hang out with Garet quite a bit. But when we go out, everybody is drawn to the rap. It's like, wow, what is, oh shoot, oh wow, I watched this as a kid. And to just see them light up and the memory come back to them from looking at your rap is just incredible. But the thing that I love to do is I tell the guys, Waldo is on Garet's rap 3 spots?
Yeah,
Waldo's in 3 spots?
We got Waldo in 3 different places.
So I love to tell people, go find Waldo. So I'm gonna point out the first one, but if you guys ever see Garet's car, if you guys find the other 2 and you tag Straight Up Driven, you find the other 2 Waldos, where there's gonna be a special gift, prize, maybe even money, but you just gotta send us a video, tag us in it when you see Garet's car out there. But let me show you where the first one is, guys. We got Waldo right here, guys. So Waldo is on 2 other spots in the car. You ever see Garet's car? Video it, point it out, send it, tag us, and there's gonna be a prize. But that's what Waldo looks like. He's in 2 other spots on the car. All right, guys, a great meet for the first one for Cars and Carats. We're gonna go roll out, make a little noise, have a little fun on the way home. Check out the next episode. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you at the next one.